Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue on how to apply for information technology for SRH University Heidelberg. As I promised in the previous video, I told you that I will show you how to apply for this particular university. So yeah, this was the DAD website where we did our requirement analysis. Then we will just go through SRH official website. Before we start, if you're seeing me for the first time and you don't know anything about this channel, then please check out our channel. In our channel, we just make videos about how to apply for universities, where to look for German universities, what are the courses that you can have or study in German university, what are the requirements, where to apply, when to apply, what are the requirements you need to have, what are the documents you need to prepare before applying. So these are the things that we usually do. Then if I also do give one-on-one session for the people, and also I will also make time and apply for you guys if you want me to apply, and these are the things that we usually do in our YouTube channel. Other than that, I can just say please like, share and subscribe so that my channel grows. Now, without any delay, we'll get started with first part of the video, where usually I will just go through the requirement analysis in the official SRH website so that it matches with our DAD. Then in second part, I will also show you how to apply. So here, this is the main SRH University website portal. Here you can just see the find courses section, and here you can just click on engineering as your interest. After clicking engineering as your interest, then we are interested in master studies, then you can click on find courses, and these are the 14 courses that are comes under engineering sciences, which is architectural, artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, industry 4.0, other things. Then we also did this industry 4.0 recently, and also we did sustainable technology management, but recently we did information technology, so that's the reason we click on information technology. If you click on information technology, here you can just see the course page that usually same information that has been taken from here, put it in DAD, but here it is the official because it is in SRH University website itself. Then all facts at the glance is degree, Master of Engineering, M Engineering full-time, and 120 ECTS, and because it is 4 semester that they are saying here, but in DAD it was said 3 semester. So now you got a difference here. Then the location is Heidelberg, 840 euros per month. Then start is 1st April or 1st October, depending on which term you are studying. So 840 euro per month is for EU nationals. Otherwise for non-EU nationals it is 6,850, which is, say example, you can count up to 7,000 for per semester. Then what you learn? You will learn master degree program computer science on a range of computer science. It is in computer science. And what you learn? The master program information technology offers a comprehensive training in latest technologies and prepares students for successful career in the IT industry. Okay, your course in detail. So this is the course in detail. What are the things? The course objective is this, where you would be deepen specialist knowledge in expansion of theoretical foundations, which are imparting advanced knowledge in the core area of information technology, such as information and coding theory, transmission technology, communication networks, digital signal processing, image processing, real-time processing or programming, integrated circuit, robotics, advanced control engineering, embedded system. So these are the course objective which you will be learning. And development of practical skills, you will also have your practical oriented classes, which is laboratory, to enhance your theoretical knowledge. Then they will also promote innovation, creativity, innovation projects, where you will be prescribed to do a research project, and also you have to defend it. Then you will also have this innovation, creativity thingy comes to your picture. Then they will also prepare yourself for leadership roles and management skills. Once you do this degree, and you graduated with this particular degree, then you can also check what are the opportunities which will you will be interested in, the research development shape feature. So the master degree program information technology offers a solid foundation for successful career in dynamic, constant growing industry. The combination of teaching language, practical skill and management skill enables graduate to successfully variate in variety of roles and industries, contribute to the future development of IT landscape. Then the main thing would be our authorization or the documents in order to apply for this particular course. A person who wants to apply for this particular course should have a bachelor degree in electrical engineering, information technology, communication technology or similar subject, and you should have finished, and you need to have at least provisional degree certificate or main degree certificate. Then you need to have proof of English language proficiency with at least 6.5, which is B2, and you need to have curriculum vitae, letter of motivation. Letter of motivation is nothing but statement of purpose, and copy of your identity card or passport. Okay, more information is here. Admission requirements, So as I told, IELTS 6.5. If you want to check for other language requirements, then study with these academic excellences. Then after this, you can also look and get an information material. If you want an information material, what are the things that you will learn, how to apply, what are the things in this material can have, then you can fill this form and get your materials here. But we are only interested in applying, then you can click on apply now. Before apply now, there is a application open still for winter semester 2025, but I suggest you guys to not apply because it's already October 10th. You will be having only 20 days, even though if you get an admission, but you won't get a visa for sure. That's the reason I suggest you guys to apply for summer semester 2026. Okay, then we already talked about registration phase is 750 one time, and entry qualification we already talked about. English we know, and overview. Program structure is here. So the program structure is nothing but what you will be studying in each semester. If you're focusing on information technology on whole, you will be doing information coding theory, transmission theory, communication network 1, 2, mathematical scientific methods 1. Then in semester 2, you will be doing mathematical scientific 2, digital signal processing, image processing, real-time processing 1 and 2. In semester 3, you will do integrated circuits, robotics, embedded security, internship and industrial placement. In 4th semester, you will do your master thesis. So this is 4 semester course, how it is prepared for this particular course, SRH Heidelberg, for the course Information Technology. And if you are doing artificial intelligence in information technology, and this is how the course looks like. And if you are doing blockchain technology, this is how it looks like. You can just go through all these courses, check if it is aligning with your interest. If so, if it is aligning and you want to apply for this particular course, then click on apply now for summer semester 2026. And this is the portal it will go, but usually we are the early applicants or a new applicant, so we don't have an application, so we can click on early applicants, and here we need to give our email ID. Now I have given the email address of our guide for German application, so the email address which we usually use it for our all application procedures. So we can click on register. Once you click on register, we have sent a one-time login link, and this is the pin with that will ask once we click on that registration link. So we can copy the pin, and here we have the dream ID. Then we can click on registering, and here you can just give your full name, which is my name is Ashwin Gowda Satish, and the password is which we have to choose by ourselves. So we can choose it now. Then after that, you can click on register. Once you clicked on register, you will be registered. You can just save if you want to have the things saved. Then your mobile number, you can just see and give country mobile number. Usually it will be Indian, because as of now you will be applying from India. Then it would be some sort of dummy number. Then your citizenship would be Indian. So now we have filled our basic information about our name, email address, our mobile number, our citizenship. Then we accepted all rules and regulation. Then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, your application will be starting. So here we are applying for information technology, and we have to choose for blockchain, information technology, or artificial intelligence. So people who want to choose, it's up to you when you have to choose, but usually you can just choose in 3 any one. So usually I will just check information technology, which is then I will click on information technology. Then I can click on save as draft. So after clicking save as draft, then we need to go and check for profile and contact, secondary information, higher education, language, visa, documents, other checklists. So this I will show you in second part of the video, where I will fill in all complete application procedures, upload the documents, necessary documents. Then I will show you how to apply for this particular course in second part. So see you in next parts. Until then, take care. Bye bye.